Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert videos in Google Slides. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward, quick, and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if this is your first time using Google Slides, you're a beginner or in general is just not familiar with the whole interface of Google Slides, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Also, in case you are a first-timer, please do refer to a video that we have uploaded, which is a beginner's guide to using Google Slides, in which we already discussed the basic features and functions of Google Slides, as well as a brief introduction within the mentioned software. And if you're interested in watching other tutorials or separate tutorials for other Google software such as Google Sites, Google Forms, Google Sheets, and many more, we already have a dedicated playlist for those, so please be sure to check it out as well. Now, as you can see, I'm currently in my Google Slides file, and right here we have images, we got shapes, right here we even got text box and lines and many more. Now, what I really like about Google Slides is it can enhance your presentation by letting you add a video on it. So as you present your work, you can play that video with sounds and all. And to do that, it's actually quite simple. All you have to do is to head over to the Insert tab, which is located on the upper panel of your screen. Right here under the tabs, click on Insert, and now as you can see, we have video over here. Click on the video, and now you can either choose a video from your Google Drive, or what's better is you can insert that directly from YouTube. So from here, you can access YouTube. Let's say, for example, I search in a video of a dog, click enter, and now as you can see, we got multiple dog videos that is showed in our browser right over here. Let's say, for example, I would like to add this video in YouTube. I will just click on that one and click on insert. Now wait for it to insert, and now as you can see, we have the YouTube video of the dog right over here. We can resize it if we want, and then if we click on it, it will automatically play the video directly from YouTube. Now you can also insert a video directly from your Google Drive, in which I will not be able to showcase because I currently do not have in my Google Drive. But if you would like to add those, it's actually the same process. Just click on the video and click on insert, and it should load up like this. Now, if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.